Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do a special reading like messages for you. What are the messages you need to hear right now? Okay, these messages includes career, relationship, everything. Okay, if it is resonate with you, I'm so happy. And thank you so much for your support. Please do share, like, and subscribe. And if anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. So do hype the video, guys, because it is going to reach more people. So let's start the reading. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. The Fool, and one more. The Tower. Yeah. See, Six of Pentacles under the deck. The first message for you in today's reading is maybe right now you're in a very tough situation in your life. Maybe you lost your job, relationship, you have some problems in your relationship. Maybe some of you are in separation also. But the situation you are in is like very, very tough. See, you don't know how to overcome the situation here. It's a very, very tough situation. But believe me, if you balance the situation right now you're in, like you need to balance, okay? Balance your feelings and emotions and handle the situation gracefully. Then your life will turn into 180 degrees or 360 degrees. Believe me. Why I am saying like this? Because the Fool is here. The Fool is all about new opportunities, new options, exploring new things. At the same time, exploring yourself. You have hidden talents within you. Lots of you, maybe you don't know. Maybe some of you know, but you didn't pay any attention. But this is the time you have to pay attention. Explore your opportunities, explore yourself. Especially, the main thing you have to do is pay attention only on present. Don't think about past and future a lot. Just focus only on present. Then only you will able to focus on opportunities. Otherwise, you are going to be stuck because the situation you are in right now is very, very tough, and it is very, very difficult to focus only on present. But you have that power, you have that willpower within you. So if you balance, and if you want to take your family support, you can. I'm seeing no opportunities. This is not the ending. This is just a break. But after this break, you are going to get a big opportunity, next level opportunity. Okay. So let's pull more cards. And relationship wise, also, you are going to see like options. New person will enter into your life. Uh, at the same time, your relationship also will be better after this tower moment. Okay, things change like suddenly. You see, like yesterday completely different situation, today is completely different situation. You will see those type of changes. So let's see more messages. King of Wands, King of Wheels, King of Cups, Ace of Cups. Oh my God, Three of Cups. See, so many. I'm saying definitely you are going to have so many opportunities. Okay, one opportunity will give emotional fulfillment. One opportunity will give financial stability, and one opportunity will give like you want to do something for long period. Now you are going to get that opportunity. You will get opportunity regarding your passion. Okay, You will have different type of opportunities in near future, but which one you have to choose? You need to think. You want financial stability, or you want emotional stability, emotional fulfillment, or you want to do something creative. Okay, you will get these type of opportunities soon. At the same time, relationship wise also, so many people are going to interested in you. Suddenly they're going to uh, propose you. Definitely I'm seeing more than two new offers, new proposals will come to you. Because why this is happening? Because you will more focus on yourself. When you're filling your cup naturally, when you focus more on yourself, automatically you're drawn people to you, because it's the energy always attracting the same energy here. So you just because right now the situation is difficult, but I'm seeing the situation is getting better. You will more focus on yourself, you will spend some quality time with your loved ones, and you will fill your cup, and just being very very strong. And here I'm seeing that uh, you will be very very stable. Okay, because you learn your lessons, now you know how to balance the situation here. And I'm seeing a lot of opportunities. Guys, it's now your turn. Like, which one you have to choose? Again, before taking any decision, think twice. And relationship wise also, I'm seeing growth, I'm seeing reconciliation energy for those who are in separation. But uh, I'm seeing different persons here. One person is like having passionate energy towards you, but one person will give financial stability, one person will give emotional stability. So, which type you are? You need to make that type of decision, because the King of Wands person always like giving so much fire in relationship, but action wise or doing something, no, they are not going to do. But King of Cups with King of Pentacles, both are very good, but according to your type you need to make a decision. So let's pull more cards. Eight of Wheels, Death, Judgment, and Eight of Cups. And the final message here is, you, if you want to walk away from something that doesn't serve you anymore, it could be the thing, situation, or a person. And if you really want to walk away, the message here is yes, you can. You can. Maybe if you want to walk away from your current job, yes, you can. You will find another better job. Yes. Because maybe some of you feeling connected emotionally to the current job or current person, maybe whatever you're dealing with. But if you walk away once, then you will go through some transformation. Definitely, the transformation will be tough. Okay, don't think it will be easy. No, prepare for worst. Okay, then after some period of time, you will able to concentrate on your career, concentrate on yourself more, and you will come out of that trauma, whatever. Okay, and uh, in near future you will go through some transformation journey also, but whatever is happening for your highest good. And relationship wise also, I'm seeing transformation, but as a person you will go through a major transformation, and it is happening for highest good. And after transformation you will see a new energy within you, and people will recognize you as a good person, as a new person, like very different person, different energy. And you will master your craft. If not, you have to, okay, you need to put more energy on what you are doing, and you need to master your craft. And judgment means you will get more clarity regarding your life, like regarding career, relationship, whatever you're focusing. Wow. So let's see energy oracle messages. Caring connections. Uh, Connections with people will heal and will be better. If you have any issues, those issues will go away. Envy, don't think negatively and take anything like sportively, which is very, very important. And strategy, you need to apply strategies regarding your career and finances. The end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn H sign. If you're going through a tough cycle, very soon it is going to be end. So let's see one more. And balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. Some of you are dealing with Pisces water sign. Believe in the impossible. So you need to always believe within yourself. At the same time, you need to believe impossible. You need to believe yourself. Okay. Past life relationship. You have known each other before. And keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and an expectation. Always think positive and keep an open mind. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it is come to you now. So it is all about manifestation. Your thoughts are going to manifest. So that's why clearly decide what you want. Coffin endings bring new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, and transition. The snake, competition, enemy, clever, malicious, look over your shoulder, the other woman. Kisses, unconditional loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.